Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage HTTP server settings on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is connect your printer to the internet, then get the IP address from the settings or an app on your mobile device. And the next thing that you need to do is go log into the site. The default password is INITPASS, which is initpass. And basically then you'll be able to access the HTTP server settings. So here, as you guys can see, we can select the ports here for HTTPS, which is the safe port, and the HTTP for 80 and 631. Here, after we make some changes, what we need to do is go over and click submit right here. So as you guys can see, that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.